Hello, in this tutorial, we'll see how Google Analytics 4, GA4, and Google Tag Manager, GTM, work together to collect essential data from your website. GA4 is the next generation of analytics tools, focused on events and user behavior, making it extremely powerful for understanding the entire customer journey. When we simulate a login on our demo site, GA4, via DebugView, records the login event. This event indicates that the user has authenticated, and its parameters show details such as the login method used. After logging in, let's navigate the site. When visiting the product listing page, the shop, we can see in GA4's debug view that it registers the view item list event. This event shows which categories or product lists are being viewed. Its parameters include the list ID and details of each product in it. When selecting an item, such as a cap, two events are triggered. Select item, indicating initial interest, and on the product page, view item, which provides more complete data about the viewed item, crucial for the purchase funnel. If there's a promotion on the page, the view promotion event is also recorded, helping to measure the effectiveness of your offers. And when we return to our debug view panel in Google Analytics, we can see that these new events were triggered as a result of our click. When clicking Add to Cart, the Add to Cart event is triggered. This is a key indicator of purchase intent, detailing the item and its quantity. As we can see in Google Analytics 4, the event is properly recorded. Next, when viewing the cart, the View Cart event gives an overview of the selected items. And when clicking Proceed to Checkout, the Begin Checkout event marks the start of the conversion funnel. During checkout, the user provides shipping information. When these details are filled in and confirmed, the Add Shipping Info event is fired. This event captures information about the selected shipping options, such as the shipping method, flat rate or free shipping, and the cost, if applicable. In the next step, when choosing a payment method, such as direct bank transfer or cash on delivery, the Add Payment Info event is sent to GA4. This event records the preferred payment method, offering insights to optimize payment options and marketing strategies. When clicking Place Order, the purchase is completed and the purchase event is recorded. This is the most important event in e-commerce as it marks a completed transaction. It brings a set of data: transaction ID, total purchase value, taxes, shipping costs, and a detailed list of all purchased products with their quantities and prices. Back in GA4, all the events recorded during the user journey are visible. DebugView displays a clear timeline, from login to the completed purchase. This real-time view is essential for validating the data layer and the configured tags. Each event, with its specific parameters, contributes to a deeper understanding of user behavior, allowing you to make more strategic decisions and improve the shopping experience on your site. And that's it. You've now seen in practice how GA4 records every event in the purchase journey. If this content was helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel and follow along for future tutorials. See you next time.